In this session, we will discuss integration of GLP with GMP and other quality systems. In pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries, quality does not depend on only one system. Different quality systems work together throughout the product life cycle. GLP ensures that laboratory studies are reliable. GMP ensures that products are manufactured consistently. GCP ensures that clinical trials are conducted properly. When all these systems work together, regulators can trust the data and the final product. Today, we will understand how these quality systems are connected and why integration is important. Whenever regulators inspect a company, they ask one important question: can you prove that your product and data are reliable? To answer this question, organizations need proper records, documentation, and evidence. This is why systems like GLP, GMP, and GCP exist. These systems help companies generate trustworthy data and maintain product quality. If there are gaps between these systems, regulators may lose confidence in the company. Therefore, integration of quality systems is very important for regulatory compliance. Let us first understand the role of each system. GLP, Good Laboratory Practice. GLP focuses on non-clinical laboratory studies. It ensures studies are planned, performed, recorded, and reported properly. GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. GMP focuses on manufacturing activities. It ensures products are consistently produced with the required quality. GCP, Good Clinical Practice. GCP focuses on clinical trials involving human participants. It ensures participant safety and reliable clinical data. Although these systems have different purposes, all of them work together to support product development. Many people think GLP and GMP are commonly separate. Actually, they share many common elements. Both require written procedures, defined responsibilities, proper documentation, quality systems, controlled processes. Both systems aim to generate trustworthy evidence. GLP creates reliable laboratory data. GMP uses that information to manufacture quality products. Therefore, these systems are connected and support each other. There are some common misunderstandings about GLP and GMP. Good laboratory data automatically means good product quality. This is not true. GLP supports safety and research data. GMP controls manufacturing quality. Both are required. Misunderstanding 2. GLP documents can replace GMP batch records. This is also incorrect. Each document serves a different purpose. Misunderstanding 3. GCP is simply a part of GLP or GMP. Actually, GCP has its own separate role in clinical trials. Understanding these differences helps avoid complaints problem. Now, let us look at the important requirements of GLP. Organization and personnel. Every person should have clearly defined responsibilities. The study director should supervise the study properly. SOPs and protocols. All studies should follow approved procedures and protocols. Data integrity. Data should be complete, accurate, and available whenever required. Raw data should never be altered or lost. These requirements help ensure that laboratory results can be trusted by regulators and customers. Now, let us look at the GLP requirements. Facilities and equipment. Equipment should be qualified, calibrated, and maintained properly. The manufacturing environment should be controlled. Quality control and traceability. Every batch should be traceable from raw materials to finished products. Quality built into the process. Quality should not be checked only at the end. Quality should be included in every step of manufacturing. This helps ensure that products are consistently safe and effective. When a product moves from research to manufacturing, careful planning is required. The first step is to identify information generated under GLP. The second step is to evaluate how this information will be used under GMP. The third step is to convert the information into manufacturing records and procedures. This process helps maintain data integrity throughout the product lifecycle. Without proper planning, valuable information may be lost or misunderstood. Sometimes laboratory testing takes place within a GLP environment. In such situations, GMP requires become very important. Documentation. Records should meet GMP standards. Equipment. Instruments should be qualified and calibrated according to GMP requirements. Personnel. Employees should receive proper training. Scope definition. Everyone should clearly understand whether an activity follows GLP or GMP requirements. Clear understanding helps prevent complaints gaps and inspection findings. Let us summarize the complete quality system. The process usually follows this sequence. GLP data, laboratory studies generate initially safety information. GCP, clinical trials evaluate the product in humans. GMP manufacturing, products are manufactured consistently. QC release, final testing confirms product quality before release. All these stages are connected. If one stage fails, the entire quality system can be affected. Therefore, integration is very important throughout the product life cycle. Thank you everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section.